Today I woke up to a very nice news. I got an email from Agoda that I got some cash back due to some hotel reservations that I did in the past. So I have 3.56 US dollars or 3.25 euros. If you then log in on your Agoda account from the link provided in the email, you will see the details of where this cashback is coming from. So it's in my case, it's coming from one resort that I visited in November. I checked out in November, and now, so 60 days later, I have the cashback available. So as you can see, I have some balance available already, and it is currently processing some other cashback rewards from further reservations that will be available also 60 days after the checkout date. So what is interesting here is that we get a QR code to collect the cashback rewards, only available, as they mentioned, on the Agoda app. So I don't have the Agoda app. I never tried it before, and let's try it together. So what I do is I take my phone, I open the options, I go to the QR code reader here, up, I check the QR code, here I get a link, open the website. It will most likely open Google Play exactly to install Agoda. Let's see that. It is a pretty fast installation, so I don't know if this cashback can actually be taken as cash wire to my bank account, and I can use it like to for other purchases, or if it is only available to spend on further hotel reservations. But let's check it now. Let's open the app. Up, I got the security scan. Once the security scan is done, which is the case, I can open the app. So now I open the Agoda app. I guess I will have to log in to my account. Yes, I have to log in. So just 1 second. I will try to log in with Google, with the Google email associated with my account. It is the case. I am logged in. Okay, let's give them, okay, whatever, special deals. Give them some, I don't want coupons. What I want to do is to go up, go more on my account and see the cashback here. Cashback rewards, I have 3 euros 25. So the same as written on the website, 3 euros 25. So let's go to cashback rewards and see what I can do. So here's the detail how I got the cashback rewards. I have some more cashback rewards pending, and here, how does it work? So once it's available, it can go directly to the card of my choice. So I can actually wire it to a card if possible. And after 120 days, they expire and I lose them. So let's go back. Let's go back and let's try to request cashback rewards. Here we go. Here we request cashback rewards. So I have already verified my account, and here all I have to do is to provide either a credit debit card, but there might be a fee. Here we go. A fee of $1.05 is applied. So to withdraw $3.56, it's not especially recommended. And to bank account, there is apparently no fee. So if you select another currency than the one used in the cashback, there is a currency change applied. So you lose also probably some money. And let's try to find, I want US dollars. Where are the US dollars? Why US dollars are not at the beginning? Oops. I have a bank account in US dollars, but I cannot find. I also have euro. The same, the equivalent euro value of my USD cashback will be transferred to my account. So, okay. But anyway, you can request the cashback to be directly wired to your account. So let's just have a quick look. For example, here they say that my USD 356 is equivalent to euro 3.25. So let's just double check if it is true. Let's go to a site that compares prices, and here we go. So we want to transfer USD 356 to euros. And actually, yes, actually it's pretty good. It's pretty good. So if I send exactly 356, yeah, recipient would get 3.18. So it's pretty good. Actually, it's market rate. So they don't cheat on us. They don't remove a lot of value from the currency conversion. So use whatever currency you have. Enter, select your bank account currency here, if it is not the one by default. And actually, I cannot choose USD for some reasons. I don't know why. Okay, so let's just say bank account is in euro, and all you have to do is go next, enter your bank account detail, keep going with the process, and you will get your cashback from travel directly wired to your bank account. So what I recommend to even further increase your cashback is to actually first register on Travel Payouts. Then when you are on Travel Payouts, use their search engine, and from the search engine you will get Agoda links. Agoda will be one of the booking portal that for which the prices will be compared. So you will get cashback actually from Travel Payouts few percent. Then from Agoda, for booking with them, you will get more cashback, as we see here, that you can withdraw to your bank account. And at the end, your whole booking will be, so it depends on the platforms, on the hotels and everything, but close to 5% cheaper, simply by using the power of cashback, by comparing online platforms between each other, by booking the same stay on the cheapest platform, and on top of that getting some cashback. Pretty easy. So good luck with your bookings. Use the link in the description and enjoy booking with Agoda or other platforms and getting more cashback.